Guys, today I'm going to cook a very delicious recipe. Okay. So this one should be neat. It should be clean, yes. And then put the ajina. This is already mixed with the ingredients. Okay. Oh wait, guys, I will do. I will do. Huh? لا أنا أعرف حبيبتي. ولا. Please, بس أنت أعرف يعني. هاب كده صح؟ But then, like this, and round like this. Wait, ate sawi.
ما بسوي انا سويتي حركه
No, كيف يعني? Oh my God!
اكو نوستا
I must know. Actually, guys, I want only half. I don't want too much like this. And put what else? Okay, hold this one. Bas MCK. Then I put this one.
مشكلة انت سويتي النوس مش مهنزة
And put Nutella like this one to give taste. Yes, to sweeten. Oh, diba? Yan. It's not good too much. And please and so anyway, maybe this is already cooked. Okay. Yan. As you can see, guys, it's become delicious. Then do like this as a design point.
Yeah.
Very nice. So I did it. Where is the plate? I think too much. Yeah. And I'm going to put in a plate, guys. Sophie, 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you.